Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica J, and if you're new here, I do home decor videos, lifestyle videos, shop with me videos. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, hello. How are you guys? I'm so happy you guys are really enjoying the shop with me videos. Thank you to those who are watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, all of that. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys know that I moved into this house October of 2019, and I'm looking at it as my little project. So right now I'm really trying to work on my living room. So that's why I'm doing a lot of shopping with you guys. I am scouting, seeing what's out there, seeing what I can get the best deals on, and also bringing you guys along through that process to show you guys what's out there as well. So today we're gonna go shopping at Homegoods. I was really waiting to get past the new year just to see if my Homegoods would carry any new items. And then we're gonna go to Target because they came out with a new candle and I really just could not stop thinking about it. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. And we're gonna go to a different Target to see if they have any more Studio McGee stuff that we didn't see the first time. And don't forget to watch to the very end. I have a little something for one lucky person, so don't forget to watch to the very end for that. So if you guys want to go shopping at Homegoods, see what's out there, and see if they have any new items at Target, then keep watching. So this Homegoods had a lot of planters. I feel like if you need planters, you're redoing your backyard, you're adding plants to your home, now's the time to go to Homegoods to see what they have. They had a lot of good stuff. I thought this canister was absolutely beautiful. I wish they had a set of them. I don't really need canisters, but $12.99 for this huge size, you can't beat that. Homegoods had so many beautiful planters, and if the colors don't match your vibe, you can always just paint over that. But these are really well-made planters. I would not sleep on these if you need them. I'm not sure what these were exactly, but I thought they were interesting. I feel like there's something for everyone at Homegoods. And I like to show you guys, you know, a little bit of everything. I feel like the glass section was stocked up to the max. They had some beautiful pieces. I actually really like these planters right here. I love the color. It's not too yellow. It's like the perfect antique brass color. And I don't know, they just look really grand to me and beautiful. I don't have a place for them, but if you guys love them, I would check out your Homegoods. I see this coffee table book from time to time, but it's very beautiful and it's huge. Every time I see outdoor furniture like this, I just want to pull. But I love these and they look designer and high end. I thought these wicker lamps would look perfect in a coastal home. You can choose to keep the blue lampshade or change it to white or a off-white color, and that will be gorgeous. Okay, we're now at the second HomeGoods location. This one's a lot smaller, but they usually have a few hidden gems here and there, so I like going there for that reason. Okay, how gorgeous is this chair? I love the shape. I just wish the color went with my aesthetic, but hey, I'm not hating on the color. If it goes with your house, I would keep an eye out if you guys like that. And we made it to Target. How gorgeous is this vase right here? I feel like it looks very expensive. It reminds me of something that Restoration Hardware carries, but of course, a fraction of the price. They have so many new vases here. I feel like they have something for everybody, and of course they're affordable because they're at Target. I would definitely check out your Target if you are looking for a beautiful vase. Okay, we're back. So I was really on the hunt for furniture pieces at HomeGoods. I want to see if they have anything that can possibly go in my living room. I have my eye on a couch, and if you follow me on Instagram, you guys would already know that, but I have my eye on this couch. So I'm kind of trying to pick pieces that can maybe go with that couch. For HomeGoods, I didn't get anything. Like I said, I'm kind of looking for bigger items and I didn't see anything. So no haul for HomeGoods. So as for Target, I was actually surprised to see that they had even more items from the Studio McGee line and Threshold. Trying to think they had any more for Project 62. I don't think I saw any new items for Project 62, but let me show you guys what I got from Target. I picked up this vase right here. I know you guys would think like, how many vases do you need, girl? Listen, I feel like this vase just goes so much better. I know I showed you guys that last vase that I got from the Project 62 for my herbs, but I just like this one so much better. I feel like it has a very antique-ish look to it. I just love the shape of this one a lot better. I feel like it just goes with my style a bit better. This one was only $15. This one says Threshold, so I don't think this one is part of the Studio McGee line. Which, how confusing is that? Like everyone came out with some new items from Target, which I'm not complaining. Target keep coming out with all the goodies that you guys are coming out with. This one was only $15. I don't know if I'm gonna put herbs in this one or not. If I do, I don't think this one is watertight, FYI. So you probably just have to put a glass, to put something in here, fill that up with water, and then stick your plant inside of here so you don't ruin the pot. And then they have the candle that I wanted to get. So this one is in Magnolia, Water Lily, and Patchouli. Hopefully I'm not butchering that one. I don't know what it smells like on its own, but I have a few candles that I absolutely love that have that scent in it. And this one right here, it just reminds me of spring, and I just could not stop thinking about it when I smelled it. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. I do that a lot. But it just smells like spring to me, and I just had to have it. If you guys are at your Target, this is from the Threshold brand, I believe. Yes, it is. And this one was $10. They have a couple of other scents as well, but this one was my favorite. Like I said, just reminds me of springtime, which I'm ready for. I mean, I live in Southern California, so it never really gets super cold, but I'm just ready for spring and summer. I'm ready for barbecues. I already mentioned that before, but I am ready to be outside and enjoying life. Okay, so that's for the haul. So I have a little giveaway I want to do. This is just a surprise giveaway. So a couple videos back, I showed you guys that I got this crystal, this massive crystal, for only $20. And a lot of you were saying that you never see crystals at your HomeGoods, or they're never that price, which I feel you guys, I never really see them at this price as well. And it is hard to come by like any size crystal at HomeGoods. But I just decided I would give this one away, and I'm not gonna make you guys jump through hoops or anything like that. You just have to be a subscriber, of course, like the video, and just let me know where you would put this if you receive this in the mail from me. It's just easier that way YouTube won't spam your comments. So that's all you have to do, and I can't wait to give this away, and I can't wait to see how you guys style it in your home. So again, all you have to do is be a subscriber, like the video, and let me know where you would put that in your house. Of course, we're gonna do other giveaways. We are coming up on 10,000, which is insane. So I want to do something huge for you guys once we hit that milestone. But for this, I would just love to give this away. And I want to start picking up things from HomeGoods and doing surprise giveaways as well, and show my appreciation for you guys and all the support that you give me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.